जिनके सर हो इश्क की छाव, पाँव के नीचे जन्नत होगी। जिनके सर हो इश्क की छाव। Whenever I used to watch that song Chaya Chaya, the child in me used to always wonder about how they are dancing on the top of the train, how they are balancing themselves, how are they moving without falling. But let alone those dancers, think about us. When we travel by train, train is constantly moving and we have to find balance whenever we have to stand in the moving train, or when we have to walk through the train, or especially when we have to climb on the middle or the upper berth or even the side berth, and we people do it in moving trains, such a sport we are. But yeah, when I remind myself those experiences, I realize what special efforts I need to take to not fall and to find my stability in that moving train. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about that stability that our ground provides us. I'm going to talk about grounding. So welcome to the video. Grounding is a concept that comes with its multiple techniques and tools that are used in therapeutic way in many somatic practices, in creative movement therapy and dance movement therapy as well. So the concept of grounding is about the stability that the ground or the earth provides us, and the techniques generally involve finding our stability with the earth, with the ground, finding our connection with the floor, and realigning ourselves with the earth. I would explain grounding process as finding our stability on the ground, on the floor. The more stable we feel in our body, the more stable we feel with our connection with the ground. It helps us to feel more stable mentally, and that stability helps us to process our complex and complicated thoughts and emotions, and helps us to untangle them and release stress and negative emotions that we are holding in our body and make meaning out of it. But to understand this stability that the earth provides us, in today's video, I am going to first challenge my connection with the earth in more playful ways, so that we are able to notice how it feels to be unstable, how it feels to lose our connection with the ground partially for a small amount of time. And when we are able to experience that instability within our body and what feelings that instability brings in our body, and then we move on to grounding ourselves again and realigning ourselves again with the ground, then I think that will come across more interestingly, more easily. So let's move to it. And yes, while I am trying to challenge my connection with the ground in some playful ways, but I don't recommend you or I don't encourage you to do the same, and I am doing it in my own safe space. and I'm making sure I don't get injured in the process. So if you find this very easy to do and if you feel like trying this out, make sure you don't injure yourself as well. Finding my balance on this.